how to make money with CG.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to CG.com, which is a formerly known as a commission junction. It's an affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with publishers or affiliates to promote products or services. Advertisers pay affiliates a commission for driving traffic or sales to their websites through affiliate links. CG.com provides a platform for tracking, reporting, and managing affiliate partnerships, offering a wide range of merchants and products to choose from. It serves as an intermediary, facilitating collaboration between advertisers and affiliates, helping both parties to maximize their revenue potential in the online marketing space. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. We have an advertiser section, overview, our platform, and so on. The publisher overview, about us, what is affiliate, blog, and the sign up button. And here if you want to change the language. So let's go for join our network. Here we can get started as a brand's reach. If you want to, as advertisers, if you want to expand our brand's reach, or as publishers, if you want to partner with the world's best brands. So let's sign up as publishers or affiliates. So to become a CG publisher, we need to sign up in and fill this information: our language, country, and give them our email, password, and confirm our password, and then proceed to verify our email. So I'm going to go through these steps and I'm coming back with you. So after signing up and verifying our email, we need to accept the terms below to get started as a publisher today. So I age certification. By checking this box, I acknowledge and warrant that I am at least 18 years of age. Certification of authority. Publisher service agreement. So accept the agreement from here. So guys, you can't just accept the agreement, you need to read it first. After going through it, then you will be able to accept the agreement. As you see, likewise in the software policy, you need first to read the software policy and go through it. Then you will be able to accept the agreement. Privacy policy also, you need to go through it, and then you'll be able to accept the agreement, and then you hit continue to account. So here you give them your email address and your password and you log in. So our account has been created. Get started, and this is our onboarding checklist. So we completed one step of 7. The first is validate our email. Let's add a user information. We hit next, done. So here we can change this settings from here. You can change the email, give them our first name, last name, and our phone number, title, and then communication preferences. We agree with all this, and then we hit save. So then we can activate our account. You need to complete your network profile, promotional property information, company details, and payment information, and questionnaire. So to activate our account, we need to complete the 7 steps. So we just completed 2 steps. We need to complete our network profile. So here we can edit from this edit. Make a great first impression, start your strength, your business goals, and relevant statistics about traffic or demographics. So here we give them a description from 0 to 4,000 characters used, and here we give them the promotional methods that we're going to use to promote their offers. So we can describe the place that we're going to promote the products from in here. You can create property, and here you can describe the place that you are going to promote the products in, whether it's a website or a social or email, mobile app, browser extensions, services and tools, and so on. Here you're going to define your promotional model, coupon deal, content, blog, media, and so on, loyalty, closed user group, pay per call. Here you are going to name your property, promotional property name, and describe your property, and it's optional. You can skip it, and this is my primary promotional property. You select this, and then you define your tags, which is also optional. Then you will hit submit, and your promotional property will be created. So let's cancel. I just want to give you an idea, guys, about the process. So here we can see our balance, the payment status, balance details. If you have any messages, you will find them here. Here you can see your account status. If you want to log out, you can log out from here. Here you have the insights, the placements. You can see the opportunities, insertion orders. Here you can see the mail messages, mail settings, reports of your performance, transaction, balance details, and the promo codes. Here you can see the widgets, your collection, or if you want to create widgets, just click create widgets, and you can create widgets in here. You can create a slideshow or collage or a grid. And here we have the links, search, link tools. Here we have the advertisers if you want to check the advertisers in the platform. So as you can see, we have a lot of advertisers. You can filter them by advertisers, pending offers, pending applications, or you can filter by category, serviceable area, language, advertisers country, geographic source, and currency also. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.